Pro VP and Director's VP. Yes, not just for regular employee. So we have falafel, waffles, mini pancakes, hash brown, assorted fataya, egg manamsa, kulud, eggplant hamsa, hamsa, kibda, balalit, assorted mini croissant. Oh my god! Halwa mix. Very neat. And oh, they're still on the other side. Come on. See? Oh. Madalas, ganito naman sa office namin. Maraming pagkain, lalong-lalo na tuwing Huwebes. Yung mga office mates namin, mahilig sila magdala ng pagkain. Kaya ayan, busog-busog palagi. Ito. Oh, God. My God. My God. And it's the same. My God.
What's this? Dahil nga ito sa aming pagkain? Gusto ko lang, I like only the juice. Meron ba yung ano?
Yeah, I mean, okay, no, I know.